Hey guys, so today I'm going to be going over a makeup look using Revolution's Emily in Paris collection. So I do have a lot of that happening today, and this is in honor of Emily in Paris season 4. I don't know how many of you have watched it. I'm sure whoever's on this video loves it, hates it, maybe both. Maybe I have a love-hate relationship with it, but let's talk about it while I do my makeup. And you can get these products at Target. I know they sell them at Target and other places. So first and foremost, I'm going to start with Emily in Paris City of Love Eiffel Tower. I mean, it's not called the Eiffel Tower makeup palette, but it is an Eiffel Tower. I love the pattern here, the houndstooth pattern, because she did wear a jacket like this, or I think she's going to wear it in season 4. I mean, let's take it out and unbox it. My love-hate relationship with Emily in Paris starts with Emily herself. I've never talked about this. Please start a conversation down below because I need to know. I am a Francophile, as some of you may have noticed. I do talk a lot about France and like Paris and things like that. They're cool. This started, like, I know a lot of like people started blowing up, like especially Paris bloggers, people who move from here to over there. They're like, that's not how it is. Like, that's so out of like reality, right? I mean, it's okay because it's a show. I mean, I don't mind. I mean, there's a lot of things there that I don't feel like are accurate, like her being treated a certain way. That has never happened for me. Actually, I've encountered people being very nice to me, like French people. So I've heard the other side. I've heard people say, okay, I'm never going back there because I feel like people are rude over there, like in France or Paris specifically. And I've heard it from people from other regions in France where they're like, Parisians are very rude. It's Parisians, not like people from Bordeaux or people from Normandy. So I think that has a lot to do with the mentality over there and the fashion culture. I mean, stripes are welcomed, right? Like, in a way, like all you have to do is wear like white socks and, you know, shorts, and people will know you're American or like from somewhere else. So that's the thing with French people. They're very like aware of the style and what you look like and things like that. So I think that's the problem I have with Emily in Paris. Is not that the French people are like, they don't like you. It's just like you're really standing out and you're really asking for it, like asking for attention, which I don't find it to resonate with American culture as well. I mean, sometimes it does, but just don't see that. Like, I feel like someone like Emily would have more of an awareness on what's stylish and what's not. That's just me, someone her age. Like, I don't see people her age dressed like that. I don't even think that's an accurate representation of how we dress here. So I would never wear that. Anyways, like, it's a fun show. It does go over certain things in French culture and French language, like faux amis, which is like, you know, words that you would think are, you know, translated this way because they're the same exact thing in English, but actually they're really something different. Sometimes it's something very sexual that you're not supposed to say. I do like that it does give you more of a knowledge on like French language and like French culture. Like, do never argue with the chef. I had experiences like that with people who go over there and they think that they're entitled to say, hey, I don't like this, take it back, I didn't order this. And it's like, excuse me. And very much like giving you some knowledge in a fun way to prepare to go to Paris, which I find true. Like, if you go into a store and you don't say bonjour, they're gonna say, what is wrong with this person? Like, they're gonna look at you very weird. S'il vous plaît, if you don't say that, it's just like, what is going on, right? Or they'll start speaking to you in English and be like, English, right? Also, if you don't make the attempt to speak French, then it's a problem also, because you're going to their country and you're not trying to speak French. A lot of people have a problem with that. But anyways, let's get into the makeup look. So this is the Emily in Paris palette from Revolution, and it's very pretty. It's so pretty. I love it. It's very loud. A lot of loud colors here. This is so her. So we're gonna use some of that. And then we have the different names here. Camille, Emily, Mindy. Fun. These are lipsticks and I love them. I also have the highlighter, which is in Houndstooth again. I mean, I don't have anything against her. It's just her character. It's like, anyways, let's just start with the eyeshadow to get this out of the way. Oops, sorry. I'm not big on eyeshadow, just so you know, but I'm doing this for the sake of a review. And I'm going to be using the 501. I know some of you, like people who do makeup all the time, eyeshadow, you're going to say, oh my god, like you're doing it wrong. Or, oh my god, you didn't put any primer on. Oh my god, you didn't put any foundation on. And it's like, I don't really care. I don't really care. I mean, this is not a makeup channel really. I just tell you how I prepare myself, so comment down below, I don't care. But I'm just here to tell you like how it looks. So that's how it looks, the 501 color. I really like it. It looks more vibrant on the palette though, which is why I should have used primer, guys. Use your primer. No, I'm not against primer. Just don't put a lot of eyeshadow on, so I don't think I should invest in primer. That makes sense. Okay. I'm gonna put some, so it's like the dark color. It's like a purple. It goes on as a purple black. Damn, I look like a zombie, bro. Okay. Chateau, which is this one right here. I'm gonna put that on my inner corner. I like to slide it from up to down like this because it looks like it's blending in. So if you can see the difference now. I'm going to put some of the Savoir. So we're going for like a dark blue to a very lighter blue on the top with glitter. Do like up here. Kind of like a cat eye, but not really. So if you can see the glitter coming out of the other color, the Chateau in the corner, and then we have the Savoir up top. Very fun. So fun fact, guys, my last get ready with me was for the Moulin Rouge because I was gonna go see the Moulin Rouge, and guess what I'm doing today again? I'm gonna go see the Moulin Rouge. So this is very fitting. Moulin Rouge play in New York, so fitting for the occasion, and it's very French. A little bit more on the corners here, but I think I want to do another color there. Maybe some gold. No, I think blue and silver is enough. Let's just do a little bit more on the sides here. So that was the last get ready with me. Like, let's do my makeup type of thing. Yeah. So some of you might be asking, why is she going to Moulin Rouge again? Like, last time we went, the actress who was playing Satine was, I forget her name. I really do. I need to get it. I'm gonna list it here. But she was really good. She was great. But we wanted to see Jojo Levesque. For those of you who know who Jojo is, or don't know who Jojo is, she used to be a singer. We're gonna do the Fenty eyeliner in black card here. So we're gonna just put it over the eyeshadow. So for those of you who don't know who Jojo is, Jojo came out with like 3 singles back when, a long time ago when I was 13 or something. I'm gonna pull it out like this, like to make a cat eye. And then we're gonna do the same on the other side. So came out with 3 singles. One was Leave, Get Out Right Now. It's the end of you and me. That song. Yeah, I don't really go singing songs for people, but this is like the 3rd time someone, well, I mean, you guys didn't ask me, but I'm just telling you what it sounds like because I know a lot of people will be like, what is that? Who's Leave, Get Out? I know my sister did, and I had to sing the song for her, and she's like, I don't know who that is. Yeah, she came out with that song. So I'm gonna use the same eyeliner at the outer corners here. And no, I didn't do my skincare, for those of you who might be wondering. Like, did she do skincare first? No. No, I should have something here because my under eyes. Yeah, you just go to the outer corner, blink, and then that one didn't come out well. Anyways, that's my little trick. But something happened with her contract and her record deal. She had a record deal for I don't know how many albums, but she only came out with 1 or 2, I believe. And then after that, they kind of like ruined her career and said, we're not coming out with anything else and you're not allowed to sing. The story is like she wasn't allowed to sing anymore or sing those songs or like sign with another record deal, like messed up. It's like, what the hell is going on? Oh, she couldn't do that for years. And then all of a sudden, like now her big break as Satine in Moulin Rouge, for those of you who don't know Moulin Rouge, it's huge. It was a movie back then with Nicole Kidman and Ewan McGregor. What do I call him? Ewan. And she has her big break now. Like she's Satine, and it's just like amazing because Satine is like a big character. She's a sparkling diamond in Moulin Rouge. So I review this Fenty as well right now. So I don't like it, to be honest. I don't like it to do this look because it goes on thick. It has a round tip. It's not pointy. I don't like it at all. I mean, I love how it goes on, like, but it makes my eyeliner look very thick and not neat. It's like I just cried or something. So we're gonna have to go for a nude lip here because I don't want to just do a bunch of like stuff here and here. That's not very French. Let's go for the highlighter. So this is a highlighter. Oh, this is the palette color. It says Beauty Ready there. And then it's very like beige. I don't do powders anymore. I used to do powders when I was in college, like for my cheeks and stuff, but now I just do creams because I feel like they stay on better. I guess we can start again with powders. I'm just gonna swipe this like this to get all the colors. This is why I don't do powders. And we gotta, you know, to get the excess off. And then we swipe up. And hopefully we do see her and it's an amazing show. So we could just, oh, my nose too, the tip. I always do the tip. Okay. I don't do contour, okay? So this is me natural. All right, how does it look? Dust it off a little bit. Now the lip. And then I'm gonna do like some cream on my face because this looks terrible. Oh, my eyelashes too. You see, I'm not good at this. First, oops. My eyelashes are so straight, so. And we're gonna be using Idole again, Lancome. What I love about this eyelash mascara is that it curves, the wand. I love that. I think it's Revlon has like one that's dual-sided. I don't know if they still sell it. I haven't seen it, but it has a primer. I love mascaras with primer. Makes the black stand out more, so it looks stronger. But this is how it looks. So that's my look. Now let's get down to the lips. With the lips. So we have Camille, a choice between Camille, and I love the packaging because you can see Camille on the side and the lipstick on the other side. Revolution is such a fun brand. And their packaging, Emily in Paris, it's very sultry red, but the color is like this. So it's not, it's like a very, which is the red, the Emily shade, which is red. And then we have Emily on the side here. There we go. Then we have the Mindy one, which is, we have Mindy on the side, very pretty. I love her in the show. She's like one of my favorites. I like Camille too. Emily comes in third because, I don't know, just her persona. And like, I love Lily Collins. I don't have anything against her. It's just the character. And I guess like you must be a good actress if you can get us to hate you. I don't hate her. I dislike her. She gets me to dislike her. I don't know if that was the thing that they wanted to go for, like dislike her. This is the Mindy. So I'm going to show you the differences. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm going to show you in a minute on my lips. You can only use it within 6 months after opening, so I opened all of them. So this sucks because it doesn't have the name on the tube. Oh my God. So It's like a lip balm. Oh, wow. At first I was like, it's not doing anything. And then I saw, wow, this is really pretty. It's very natural. Wow, Camille. So I think this would look better on someone who is lighter, fairer skin. I'm like tan, so I don't think it looks, I think it looks good, but it reminds me of the Selena Gomez look where she went all bronze with like a nude lip. Definitely, I'm so confused right now. It's either the Camille or the Mindy. But they're very similar too. Like if you look at them, they're very similar. I think it's the Camille. So we're gonna take this off and then go to the like tarot. Okay, so this is the other one. I think this is the Mindy. They're very similar. I don't like this one. This one definitely reminds me of the Selena Gomez look. And go for the red. I think the red is perfect for me. So that's the color. It's like apricotish. So this is the Emily one, which is the red. I love it. I still have lipstick from the other ones on. I did not successfully take it off, but it's okay. I like how it's like a lipstick, like literally a lipstick. It kind of reminds me of the Rouge Stilo, which is this one, which I love. Oh my gosh, this red is beautiful. I love it. I think if you line it out with some lip liner, it would look neater. So what I like to do is put lip liner underneath it, so at least the tone of the lip liner would come up if the lipstick wears off. So let's blot it. Okay. I hope you guys like it. I mean, I don't really like the eyeliner. I might fix it. I should fix it. It's like really bad. So I successfully took off the eyeliner. I do have a little bit left over, but it's okay as long as those wings came off, you know, those wings. Fenty, I like it, but it's just not a pointy point. That's the problem. So it doesn't create this like sleek finish. I'm just gonna go with the Maybelline Master Precise Skinny eyeliner. This is a crayon gel crayon eyeliner. This is in brown. Yeah, it's very thin, so you can hardly see it. Oh my god. Okay, so this is my look, my finished look with the thin liner. It's a little better and more natural. I'm just a more natural person, so this is the look. With the highlighter, little bit of eyeshadow because I took most of it off with the other wing liner. I didn't like the Fenty. It wasn't the best thing. So this is my final look. Again, the eyeliner was not from the collection. It was from Fenty by Rihanna. And then I took that one off and put on the skinny eyeliner by Maybelline. So the Fenty is a no-go for this look, but any skinny eyeliner is great. So this is my look for tonight. That's all I have, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like, share, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on Emily in Paris, Moulin Rouge, French culture, things like that. Also astrology, if you want to talk about that. I'm here for it. And I'll catch you next time. Bye, guys.